In problem 1.2, we're going to continue to work on solving word problems by figuring out what strategy we need to use, whether it's adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. But we're also going to look at estimating decimal calculations and finding unit rate. The goals of the day, GTD, whoop whoop. Our warm up is going to be some unit rate review. Then we're going to introduce problem 1.2. We're going to do some practice. And then your homework is number 9, 11, 12, 17, and 24. I know that sounds like a lot, but 9, 11, 12, and 17 are quick estimations of decimals. So it shouldn't be too much work. It's just a review. And then lastly, we're going to have fun. So I will say there's a lot of word problems within the practice. So we're going to make this a 2-day lesson. So you will have until end of day Thursday to complete this. What you need, your decimal ops textbook, open up to page 9, a pen or pencil, some paper to work on, and of course your iPad or you wouldn't be here. Hit pause, get everything you need, and when you're ready, press play. So to be able to solve the problems in 1.2, we need to review unit rate. So if you remember, unit rate was what we worked on when we were working on ratios, right? And unit rate is used to compare two different quantities, like dollars per gallon or dollars per hour, things like that, right? So when unit rate is, you're trying to get the 1 on the bottom or at the denominator. So we're going to do some practice. We'll do the first one together, and then I want you to solve the rest on this page. Problems 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, number 1, a skydiver falls 144 feet in 3 seconds. How far does the skydiver fall per second? So we know we've got 144 feet over 3 seconds. But remember, with unit rate, we want to get that down to how many in 1 second. So we go over 1, right? And then what we do is 3 divided by what equals 1? 3 divided by 3 equals 1. What we do on the bottom, we do on the top. And we get 144 divided by 3, and that equals 48. So the answer for number 1 is 48 feet per second. I want you to solve 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hit pause, take some time to solve it, and when you think you got it, hit play. Keep going. Solve 6, 7, and 8. Hit pause, and when you think you got it, hit play and check your work. In problem 1.2, we're looking at word problems, but we're looking at when you have dollars and cents or decimals, what strategies can you use to estimate, right? So let's look at these scenarios. You tell me which one's right. Hey, good morning.
Hi.
Water, like a gum.
That'll be $15.45.
Oh, cool. Awesome. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Meow.
Good morning.
Hi.
Some water, some gum, roll of water.
That'll be $3.85.
Perfect. Thank you. Have a good day. So which scenario was correct? 1 or 2? So you can often be presented with this. Something happened in scenario 1 where the person at the cash register entered in something wrong and made an error. And you need to be able to estimate and know roughly how much things are going to cost so that when that happens, you can correct that cash register, the person at the cash register. Scenario 2 was the correct answer. Now it's your turn. Open up your Decimal Ops textbook to page 10. Get out some scratch paper from your notebook, or you can work within your graph book. Solve problem 1.2, parts A, B, and C. Hit pause here and take some time to work on this. There's a lot of information on here. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, do your best. When you're ready to see the answers, press play.